facials, skincare routines, and masks, our skin gets unlimited love on the face. But are we forgetting about the rest of our body? We've put together a body cleanup routine using all natural ingredients that will make your skin feel nourished and loved. If you want our complete detailed guide to body care, type in the word body in the comments below and we'll send it to you. First things first is to cool your body and mind with a relaxing shower. The biggest enemy of soft and supple skin is very hot water. You should switch to mildly warm or cool water if you want your skin to retain its moisture. Now let's talk about soft and supple skin's best friend, a moisturizing yet antibacterial cleanser. Mix in a few spoonfuls of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of curd. This mix will not only moisturize your skin while it cleanses, the antibacterial turmeric will make sure you feel clean and you won't miss the foam either. The skin on our body can tend to be a bit drier, tougher, and a victim to dry patches. Using an amazing homemade scrub can help you get rid of your dry skin and leave it feeling baby soft. All you need are a few household ingredients, a couple spoonfuls of brown sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. We're using lemon essential oil as the fresh lemon scent is not only energizing, but the lemon itself fights germs as well. Rub this in circular motions all over your body and wash it off with lukewarm water. Leisurely sitting in the sauna and relaxing isn't always an option in your home bathroom. Here are some tips to get your spa on at home. Light a few aromatic candles and dip some towels in hot water. This will help you reap the benefits of steaming even when actual steam can't be created. As a bonus, add a few drops of lavender essential oil to your hot water for a calming and relaxing scent. Take your towels and gently pat them all over your body. Not only is it a calming experience, but the warmth will help ease up sore muscles as well. The final step in our body care routine is to indulge your skin with some moisture and quench its thirst. We've come up with the perfect DIY body butter that will leave you feeling like a snack. Here's what you'll need: 4 tablespoons of shea butter, 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 4 teaspoons of grapeseed oil, 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, and a few drops of essential oils. We recommend rose. Mix these ingredients until they have a soft and pillowy texture. Collect this in a jar and make sure you store it in your fridge. Apply this all over your body and let this smooth organic body butter sink in and deliver its moisturizing benefits. We're sure you'll end up feeling pampered and luxurious after this DIY natural body care routine. Let us know if you're missing the spa or if this is your introduction to leisurely body care. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.